guys, let me show you this hair straightener. So I got this as a gift and we're gonna try this out and see the result. So it will be all authentic and honest. Let's open this and see what's in there and how it's packaged. So here it is. Let's get it out. I love the color. First off, it comes with a manual book, then heat resistant gloves, and this is the hair tie scrunchies. So cute. This is squeezed bottle. I don't know what this is for, but we're gonna figure it out. And this is the hair clips, and finally hair straightener. So here it is. This is how it looks. So sleek and beautiful color. It does look pretty heavy duty. So now so this is stainless steel right here. And now let's plug this in and test this out. So there's a water tank right here, and you're gonna use this squeezed bottle for this purpose. So right here is the button. So let's release it, and we're gonna fill purified water. Let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty, so right now I just plugged in and it just says off. So let's turn this on. So here are all the buttons. So this is the turn on button. Now, can you see that? How fast it's heating up? That's crazy. It's super fast. So you can also adjust the heat. Plus, this is 410 Fahrenheit, 370, 340, 300 Fahrenheit. However you want, you can adjust it easily. And then this is the steam. So it also has a steam. I just filled it with the water, and while you're straightening it, it comes with the steam. So let's try it now. So let's use the tie and the clips. Can you even imagine? This is super fast because I just set 300 Fahrenheit and it reached to 300 in about 25 seconds. That's unbelievable. That's super fast. So as you can see, I have a little bit wavy hair. Now we're gonna try it here and see. So let's get started. It is actually super easy to use. Okay. Wow to the results. Wow. And also the outside is not that hot, so I can even touch it. So you're just gonna put a thin layer of your hair here and just slowly, and that's it. Do you see how straight it is? That's amazing. And I'm in love with it, how fast it does, and it works just great. And here it is. I loved it. So if you're also looking for